What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with season 2 of Twinkie's Adventures. Welcome back. It's been a crazy winter, to say. We barely got any snow at all, and the temperatures were like all over the place, but yet I was still really busy with work, so I still didn't really get out much. I got out a couple times, but I didn't record anything, just stupid stuff, not really worth a video. For those of you watching, you all know about this coronavirus that is going on, and I've heard a lot of crazy stuff about places being on lockdown and stuff. Luckily, I'm not in that area. Just recently moved, so I'm even further from those areas now. Long story short, I don't know what my traveling will look like this summer as far as motovlogging goes. Depending on the areas, there's not really any places that are going to be open, and some of the places we're told, hey, you can't be open. So that definitely is going to make some things harder. I mean, it'd be interesting to do some drive-through videos, but we'll see how that would go. So, back to move. I moved, yes. I was living in Birdsboro, but I got tired of that. I got tired of my job. So I quit, and I'm working somewhere else now, doing something I like. And I moved out of the area. Now, your homeboy is living in Newmanstown. My new job, the drive to and from work at my new job from my new residence, there is a road, well, there's quite a few roads that are very interesting, and I would like to explore them greatly with my motorcycle. So, with that being said, I am going to go to my work, drive past my work, and take the roads and give you guys a little glimpse of what's to come. But I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to start trying to keep them shorter this season. I want to try to keep them around like 10-15 minutes each, maybe a little less, but it's a little challenging. Sometimes you just get a lot of really good stuff and you want to put it in. But we can't forget our catchphrase, howdy howdy. Oh, he almost dropped it. Oh, shit. Oh man, see, stuff like that. There's stuff like that happens that just bumps up the time. Funny story about my car. In December, I actually got a new one. A 2017 Kia Forte LX base model. But here's the catcher. It is a 6-speed standard trans. Oh yeah. Oh, I fell in love with the car as soon as I saw it. First time I drove it, I fell in love with it. And right about here, we're passing my work. I like it here. So this road here is basically the one that I was talking about. More or less the first portions here from my work back home, because they're the tightest and the windiest. So I'm gonna throw on some music and let you guys listen to that while we ride along. So there still is portions that are pretty windy and pretty awesome, but you'll see parts of that as we go along and you listen to me babble on. So I would tell you guys the different places that we already talked about going to visit, but I don't want to spoil anything and I don't want to promise anything, if you know what I mean. So, but if any of you guys want to see a motovlog and a visitation somewhere, leave it in the comments, let me know, and we'll see what we can do. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Like I said, I'm going to start keeping them short. This one, just wanted to give you guys some updates, let you know what was going on, and let you know that through this coronavirus, I will try to get out and get some videos done this season. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Nice. And comment if you want. I don't care. Leave a comment. Come on, tell me something. Tell me my voice is too high. Tell me I sound like a 13-year-old. I don't give a. Peace out, guys.